Here are our ingredients for eggplant omelette. So we have eggs, onion chopped, garlic chopped, eggplant sliced into thin, then yung ating ground pork, black pepper, and salt to taste. Yung cooking oil natin. So first, isusatay natin yung ating pork. Ground pork natin. So, preheat natin yung ating pan. Add some oil, cooking oil. I-heat up natin yung ating oil. Then, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating onion. Yung ating garlic. I-mix lang natin sila. Sutig lang natin sila. Hintayin natin mag-golden brown yung ating garlic. Pwede na natin i-add yung ating pork. Ground pork. Maybe 150 grams of ground pork. So after this, lagyan natin ng konting salt. Then yung black pepper. So hayaan natin siyang maluot yung last nung ating black pepper and salt. So while simmering this, ihahalo naman natin yung ating egg. At least 3 of them. There you go. Ilalagyan din natin ng pinch of salt and black pepper. So, pwede na rin natin siya i-add yung ating eggplant dito sa ating binate na beaten egg. So, pwede na natin i-add yung ating sauté ground pork dito sa ating egg. Magalan natin siya ng konti. Way too much. There you go. Then, ipi-preheat ulit natin yung ating pan. Then, yung ating yung egg natin, hinalo na natin yung ating sautéed ground pork. Heat natin yung ating pan. Add tayo ulit ng konting oil. Ayan ito. Pwede na natin i-add. Pag mainit na yung ating oil, pwede na natin i-add yung ating next na eggplant. Make sure mas scattered nyo yung eggplant natin before maluto yung pinaka-egg. Para dumikit siya. Hayaan natin siyang maluto. So, ilo-lower natin yung heat. Para ma-flip natin siya na maayos, hahatiin natin siya sa gitna. Dandahan natin i-flip siya. Oh, there you go. So, hayaan natin maluto yung, or maprito yung eggplant natin. Okay? Luto na yung ating egg omelette. Pwede na natin siyang patayin. Yung ating kalan. And there you go. Pwede na natin siyang i-serve with the ketchup and the mayo. So, here guys. Ito na ang ating eggplant omelette. Enjoy!